The moment that changed my entire life wasn't inspiration, it was painful. Hi, this is Dr. Keith Hobartong, checking in from all around the world, and today I want to share a clarity breakthrough I wish someone had taught me years ago, and I'm trying to teach you now. This was a moment in my life during addiction, loss, and complete collapse where I thought I had nothing left. I was waiting for something big, some signs, some miracles, some perfect moment to find purpose again. But that moment never came. Instead, I learned this: clarity doesn't come from inspiration, it comes from honesty. Not the glossy kind, the raw kind that forces you to face what you become and who you're meant to be next. So here's your breakthrough. You don't rebuild your life by trying to feel better. You rebuild your life by telling the truth. The truth about what you want and what you're tolerating and what you've been and what you faced and what your soul have been whispering for years. Ask yourself this today: what truth have I been avoiding? Answer that truthfully and honestly, and clarity will begin. If you're ready to turn your own breakdown into a breakthrough, go to